Stop right there. If you're about to spend $350,000 to $500,000 on a Barndominium and fill it with the same boring Pinterest trends from 2022, you're about to make a massive mistake. 2026 has completely flipped the script on Barndominium interiors, and if you don't know these new trends, you're going to build something that looks outdated before you even move in. I'm going to show you the 7 hottest interior design trends that are dominating Barndominiums right now, and I promise you, number 5 is going to blow your mind because it adds 15% to your resale value. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I drop honest, no-fluff Barndominium content every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Also, stick around until the end because I'm revealing the one design mistake that tanks resale value faster than anything else. Welcome back. 2026 has brought something incredible to the Barndominium world. We're seeing a complete shift away from the stark white walls and minimalist cold vibes that dominated the early 2020s. Homeowners are now creating interiors that have soul, warmth, and serious personality. According to the 2026 Custom Home Builders Association report, Barndominium interest has climbed 11% this year, and the biggest driver is not the exterior, it's what's happening inside these metal walls. What's even more interesting is that the market is pivoting toward luxury barndos, higher price per square foot builds where interior design quality makes all the difference. I've spent weeks researching the latest trends, talking to designers, and analyzing what's actually getting built in 2026. What I found is fascinating. The most successful Barndominium interiors right now are those that embrace what designers are calling modern heritage, a style that feels both cutting-edge and timelessly grounded. We're talking about interiors that look like they have history, even when they're brand new. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 hottest creative interior trends for 2026, what's working, what's not, and how you can apply these to your own Barndominium without breaking the bank. Let's get into it. Trend 1. Modern heritage, the death of stark white. The biggest shift in 2026 is the move away from what designers call the Stark Farmhouse look. You know what I'm talking about? Pure white walls, black trim, zero personality. That aesthetic has officially exhausted people. Homeowners are done with spaces that feel like Apple stores. Colors like rain cloud and default gray, those cool tone grays that dominated 2023, are completely out. The trend now is modern heritage, using complex earth tones that look like they have a history. We're seeing a transition to red-cased neutrals and terracotta undertone browns. These aren't just colors, they're atmospheres. The goal is to make your Barndominium look like it's been part of the land for decades, not like it was dropped there yesterday. The winning colors for 2026 include warm neutrals with red or terracotta undertones, soft greys that shift with natural light, and what designers call restorative darks, deep browns and muted greens that bring a biophilic outdoor-in feel. Think earthy, grounded tones that connect your interior to the landscape outside. But here's the key. You're not painting everything one color anymore. 2026 is about color drenching and tonal trim. This means painting your walls, trim, and even ceilings in the same color family or slight variations. Instead of stark white trim on a gray wall, you're using a darker shade of the same color for trim. This creates a sleek, expensive, architect-designed look that boosts your home's appeal significantly. The interior palette focuses on warm terracotta, burnt sienna, clay, camel, and wood accents. You're adding pops of natural texture through reclaimed barnwood beams, stone fireplaces, and matte black hardware. The result is a space that feels calming, grounded, and collected, not staged. Trend 2. The Great Room Evolution, multifunctional zones. The heart of every Barndominium is still the Great Room. But in 2026, the way we're designing these spaces has completely evolved. Open concept living is still king, but now it's about creating multifunctional zones within that openness. Steel framing eliminates load-bearing walls, giving you expansive spaces that feel airy and versatile. In 2026, homeowners are taking this further by creating zones. Kitchens that blend into living rooms, offices that integrate into lofts, and flexible layouts that adapt to evolving lifestyles. The Great Room now serves multiple purposes. working, entertaining, exercising, and relaxing all in one flowing space. The most popular feature is oversized kitchen islands, 15 feet long in many cases. These become the primary architectural anchor of the space. Cathedral ceilings with exposed beams add drama while maintaining that industrial rustic feel. You're seeing ceiling heights of 16 feet or more in primary living areas, creating the illusion of massive space even in smaller footprints. Here's what's working. Define your zones with furniture groupings, not walls. Use ceiling beams, partial height shelves, or area rugs to create visual separation while keeping flow open. This gives you the functionality of separate rooms without losing that signature Barndominium openness. Trend 3. Industrial Softness, mixing hard and warm. This is where 2026 gets really interesting. The new winning formula is what I call Industrial Softness, pairing steel, concrete, and glass with warm wood, plush textiles, and natural stone. The trend celebrates the building's actual structure. You're featuring exposed steel beams and polished concrete floors as design elements, not trying to hide them. But here's the shift. You're softening these industrial elements with layers of warmth. Think plush leather furniture, chunky knit throws, sheepskin rugs, and warm wood accents. Popular materials include reclaimed oak for accent walls, knotty pine for ceiling treatments, natural stone for fireplace surrounds, and luxury vinyl plank that mimics weathered wood. The key is material contrast. When you pair that cold steel with warm reclaimed wood, you get balance. When you set polished concrete floors against soft textiles, you create visual interest. Fixtures are moving toward matte black and bronze finishes. Forget shiny chrome. 2026 is all about those deep, moody metals that add sophistication. Light fixtures are getting bold and oversized. We're talking industrial cage pendants, barn-style chandeliers, and Edison bulb installations that double as art pieces. The winning spaces right now feature exposed ductwork painted black, concrete counters with waterfall edges, polished steel accents on range hoods and shelving, and custom steel railings on staircases and lofts. It's city loft meets country barn, and when done right, it's absolutely stunning. Trend 4. Smart tech that disappears. Here's something that might surprise you. The most sophisticated technology in 2026 is the technology you cannot see. The trend is away from visible smart devices and toward embedded systems that blend into your architecture. Nearly every Barndominium project now includes smart technology, garage doors, motorized shades, lighting systems, and smart appliances. But the difference in 2026 is how it's integrated. Hidden outlets, flush sensors, recessed speakers, and integrated displays mean technology disappears into your interior design. The game changer this year is Matter 2.0 compatibility. This protocol finally allows all those invisible devices to work together seamlessly without the frustration of competing systems. Your bathroom floor heats up automatically on winter mornings. Shades lower as the sun sets without you touching anything. AI-driven circadian rhythm lighting adjusts color temperature and intensity throughout the day, supporting your natural sleep-wake cycle while making your space feel intuitive. What's hot right now is voice-activated everything, but with hidden assistance. Smart home hubs tucked into custom millwork. Wireless, rechargeable lamps that offer flexible ambient lighting without visible cords. Integrated audio systems with in-wall speakers that feel like fixtures, not devices. Here's the bonus. These systems monitor energy use and respond intelligently. Your HVAC adjusts based on occupancy. Your EV charges during off-peak hours automatically. You're living healthier and more sustainably without even thinking about it. The technology just works in the background, making your life easier while your home looks cleaner and more cohesive. Trend 5. The Shouse Connector. Home meets workshop. This is the trend I promised would blow your mind. The Shouse, a combined shop and house, is exploding in 2026, and the magic is in the connector space. Here's why this matters. Adding just 5% to your budget with a well-designed connector can add 15% to your resale value. Many Barndominium floor plans now integrate dedicated workshop space, extra tall garage bays, or studio areas. The key to a successful layout is how you transition from living space to workspace. The winning design includes a mudroom-style connector, a transitional zone with built-in storage, a utility sink, and durable flooring that traps dirt and fumes before they reach your living areas. This connector serves multiple functions: coat and boot storage, a charging station for tools and devices, a small workspace for messy projects, and a sound barrier between the noisy shop and quiet home. The realistic cost to build this connector zone with quality finishes is $7,000 to $12,000, but the return on investment is incredible. Buyers love the functionality, and appraisers recognize the added value. Inside the connector, use board and batten wainscoting on lower walls to protect drywall. Install commercial-grade flooring like epoxy or sealed concrete. Add plenty of LED lighting. Include a folding workbench for quick projects. This simple addition makes your barndominium infinitely more livable while preserving that crucial shop functionality. Trend 6. Dramatic architecture, vaulted ceilings, and bold lines. Tall ceilings and bold roof lines are becoming signature elements of barndominium design in 2026. The clear-span structure of steel buildings allows you to incorporate vaulted ceilings, tall windows, and dramatic angles that give the interior serious wow factor. Vaulted ceilings are especially popular in living rooms and great rooms, often reaching 18 to 20 feet at the peak. This creates visual impact and makes even modest square footage feel palatial. The key is how you treat that volume. Expose beams, whether structural steel or decorative wood. Break up the space and add character. Accent lighting on beams creates drama at night. Tall windows are non-negotiable in 2026. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls on one or two sides flood interiors with natural light while framing your land. These work especially well on the gable ends of the structure. The most popular configuration is expansive windows on the living room side, with a wall of glass looking onto your property. Statement ceilings are trending hard. Instead of flat white ceilings, homeowners are adding wood planking, metal panels, or decorative coffers. Even painted ceilings in moody colors like charcoal or deep terracotta create unexpected drama. The ceiling becomes the fifth wall, an opportunity for serious design impact. Monitor roofs are gaining popularity because they allow for upper clear-story windows. This brings natural light deep into the center of your floor plan while maintaining privacy. The result is a bright, airy interior that doesn't feel like a metal box. Trend 7. Analog spaces, tech-free retreat rooms. Here's a fascinating counter-trend. While we're integrating more smart technology, we're also deliberately creating analog spaces, tech-free rooms designed for digital detox. Dens, libraries, listening rooms, and studies are what everybody wants in 2026. These are spaces with no screens, no notifications, just human connection and analog activities. These rooms feature built-in bookshelves requiring physical browsing, vinyl record players and quality speakers, comfortable seating arranged for conversation, natural materials like wood and stone, warm lighting from table lamps and sconces, and absolutely zero power outlets in visible locations. Some designs even include wireless signal shielding. The psychology is simple. In a world of constant digital noise, having a retreat space in your own home offers incredible value. These rooms become the most used spaces in the house because they provide what we're all craving: quiet, focus, and genuine connection. Popular implementations include a library nook under a loft, a cozy reading corner with a wood-burning stove, a music room with instruments and analog audio equipment, or a crafting studio with natural light and work tables. The key is making the space feel intentional and special, not like a leftover room you didn't know what to do with. Bonus tips: what to avoid in 2026. Let me quickly tell you what's out in 2026. First, all white everything is done. Those sterile, minimalist spaces feel cold and unwelcoming now. Second, overly rustic, heavy-handed barn themes with wagon wheels and horseshoes are out. The trend is refined rustic, not country kitsch. Third, cheap builder-grade everything is a mistake. If you're going budget, do it strategically. Spend on high-impact areas like flooring, fixtures, and the kitchen, then save on hidden elements. Fourth, ignoring acoustics in your open space will haunt you. Those high ceilings and hard surfaces create echo chambers. Here's the 2026 solution: acoustic slat wood walls. You've seen these all over social media, felt-backed oak slats from companies like Arte or generic versions. They look incredible and actually solve your sound problems. Add rugs, curtains, and upholstered furniture too. Fifth, terrible lighting is the fastest way to ruin a beautiful space. Layer your lighting with ambient, task, and accent sources. Don't rely on one overhead fixture in a 400 square foot room. Sixth, pushing all furniture against walls looks terrible in open floor plans. Float your furniture to create conversation zones and define spaces. The one mistake that tanks resale value. Here it is: building a barndominium that doesn't fit your location. If you're in a suburban area with traditional architecture and you build an ultra-industrial, stark metal box with zero warmth, you're going to struggle on resale. In the 2026 real estate market, industrial fatigue is real. Appraisers are starting to penalize metal boxes in traditional neighborhoods. The key is adapting these trends to your context. In rural settings, you can go bolder with industrial elements and dramatic architecture. In suburban or semi-rural areas, soften the exterior with mixed materials like stone or wood siding, and make the interior as warm and inviting as possible. The goal is to appeal to the broadest buyer pool while still creating something unique. The barndominiums with the highest resale values in 2026 are those that nail the modern heritage aesthetic: warm, complex earth tones, quality finishes, smart layouts, and a perfect balance of rustic charm and modern comfort. They feel collected, not staged. They have character without being overly themed. They showcase quality without screaming expensive. That balance is what buyers want. 2026 is an incredible time to design a barndominium interior. The trends are moving toward warmth, personality, and intelligent design. You're seeing a beautiful marriage of industrial structure with soft, livable spaces. The best interiors right now are those that embrace the building's steel bones while creating environments that feel like home, not showrooms. If you're planning a build, start with your color palette. Choose those complex earth tones and red-cased neutrals that create depth. Plan your great room as a multi-functional hub with defined zones. Mix hard industrial materials with soft textiles and warm woods. Integrate smart technology invisibly with Matter 2.0 compatible devices. Consider that Shouse Connector if you're building a Shouse. It's 5% of your budget for 15% more value. Go big with architectural drama through vaulted ceilings and tall windows. And carve out at least one analog space for unplugging. The most important thing is to make it yours. These trends are tools, not rules. Take what resonates, ignore what doesn't, and create a space that reflects your lifestyle and personality. The beauty of barndominiums is that flexibility, that blank canvas where you can truly design something unique. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest barndominium content. Drop a comment below and tell me which trend you're most excited about. I read every single one. And if you're seriously planning a build, check out my other videos on costs, floor plans, and construction tips. I've got a complete playlist that walks you through the entire process from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.